Hi, everyone. Meteorologist Joe Chaffee taking you out on this Tuesday. You can see on the satellite loop across the Northeast, skies are mostly clear for the most part. We've got a tropical depression that's sitting right off the North Carolina coast. We have a strong tropical depression, an almost tropical storm now in the Gulf of Mexico. Thunderstorms continue to increase. It's very, very close to being a tropical storm. And this is Hurricane Gaston, which continues to kind of slowly move northeastward, but we are getting waves that are coming into the Jersey Shore and to the Long Island South Shore. So that means there's a high risk of rip currents today, with waves running 4 feet or higher and some swells probably above 6 feet. And I'm expecting this to continue right through the rest of the week and into the weekend. Let's give you real quick what's going on short range wise. As far as the weather's concerned, we have this little high that's built in today, and that's lowered the humidity some, and we'll have temperatures into the 80s, but it'll be very comfortable. You'll probably notice the depth of the blue sky today telling you we're in a dry air mass. Now, we have a cold front that's coming through tomorrow, so it will be more humid, and there will be maybe a shower or thunderstorm with that, but actually when we look at the model, that front's getting hung up just a little bit because of everything that's going on along the coast between the tropical depression and the possible tropical storm in the Gulf of Mexico. So it actually has some showers coming through here during the early morning hours up until about daybreak, and then weather conditions improve on Thursday. We have a nice dry air mass that builds in for Friday. It's going to be nice and cool Thursday night, Friday night into Saturday. Now, one of the things that the couple of the models are doing with this system in the Gulf of Mexico, and they've been doing it for the last couple of days, I've been sort of not paying, I've been kind of ignoring it because it seemed a little bit unrealistic, but the GFS model and the Canadian model want to take whatever tropical system comes out of the Gulf and kind of bring it up toward us as we get toward Labor Day. Now, I don't know how real this is because the European model doesn't do this, and the number of the hurricane models don't really do this. So we're going to pay a little closer attention now to see if this model, the American model, and the Canadian model are on to something. Let me just show you real quick on the temperatures of what to expect, because this is really a nice treat. I'll get a little close up here so you can take a look at how nice and cool it's going to get for a couple of days. There's an air mass like this in late August, early September is really nice. Let me just back it up a little bit, and you can see for today it does make it back into the 80s. And then tomorrow we're into the upper 80s to near 90. Thursday around probably into the low 80s because the cool air takes a little longer to get here. But then we'll be down in the 50s and low 60s Friday morning, only in the 70s Friday afternoon, 50s, and even some 40s show up in places not that far away up in the Hudson Valley for Saturday morning. And then 70s again on Saturday. We'll do it even Sunday morning, looks pretty nice, 50s and low 60s. And mostly 70s on Sunday. And again, a lot of this is going to depend on that high going by to our north and the onshore flow. So we've got a great weather day today. If you're headed for the beaches, Long Island or New Jersey, again, watch for the rip currents. They're going to be pretty vicious, and the waves are going to be pretty rough out there. And I think those conditions are going to continue right through the rest of the week and into the weekend. And we'll keep you posted and updated on what's going on in the tropics throughout the day.